If your taste buds crave adventure, you're in for a treat. Let's make Parippu, Sri Lankan dal curry. First, rinse your masoor dal until the water runs clear. Then, boil it with 3 cups of water for 20-25 minutes until soft. While that's cooking, let's get our tempering ready. Heat some oil and add mustard seeds, cumin seeds, dry red chilies, and curry leaves. Let them sizzle and get fragrant. Next, toss in your chopped onion, minced garlic, ginger, and green chilies. Saute until the onions are golden brown. Add this aromatic mix to your cooked dal. Stir in chopped tomatoes, turmeric, chili powder, and salt. For that extra creamy touch, add coconut milk and simmer for another 5 to 10 minutes. Finish off with a squeeze of lime juice, and you're done. Serve hot with rice or roti. Enjoy your homemade Sri Lankan dal curry.